So let's have a look at this question. The answer says BDCA. Let's not bother much about it. They were no less dreaded by mortals than by gentle woodland nymphs. Who are they here, and why should they be dreaded? I mean, the idea of dreaded, the pronoun they all need some kind of introduction. How can you say, I mean, I was not dreaded by, so it goes out. It cannot start the paragraph. The satyrs were a race of woodland spirits who evidently personified the free, wild, and untrammeled life of the forest. So, this is an introduction. The satyrs were a race of woodland spirits who evidently personified the free, wild, and untrammeled life of the forest. It makes sense, right? But after this, would you describe what was their life, or would you describe their appearance? After statement B, you can have D, you can have C, you also can have A. But logically speaking, after B, would I speak of their appearance, or would I speak of the kind of life they led, or would I say that they were no less dreaded by mortals? So when you introduce a person, you speak about his appearance first, right? What he's like, how does he look, rather than people were scared of him a lot. So I would, if I were a writer, I would choose B, and after B, I would choose D. Why? Because I have introduced the satyrs, and then I must speak about their appearance. Their appearance was both grotesque, grotesque means ugly, was both ugly and repulsive. They had flat, broad noses, pointed ears, and little horns sprouting from their foreheads, a rough shaggy skin, and a small goat's tail. So BD becomes a pair. Now, after you have spoken about their appearance, would you speak that they were no less dreaded, or would you speak about the kind of life they led? So you introduce the person, you speak about his appearance, and then you would speak something of their own. Here in statement A, you don't mention something about the satyrs. You rather mention that how others reacted to their presence. So first I would speak about the satyr, his physical appearance, the kind of life they led, and then how was people's reaction to them. This is the logical order of writing something. They led a life of pleasure and self-indulgence, followed by chase, reveled in every description of wild music and dancing, were terrible bibbers, and addicted to the deep slumbers which follow heavy potations. They were no less dreaded by mortals than by the gentle woodland nymphs, who always avoided their course of sports. Right? So the dread of others must come at the last. Why? Because the dread of others has nothing to do with the personality of the. I mean, it has nothing about the satyrs. It's about others' reaction to the satyrs, and BDCA is the right choice.